hope you're doing well. If you're new, hi, my name is Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty. We discuss a lot of beauty, a lot of makeup, some tutorials, product reviews, things of that nature. If you're not new, hey, what's up? It's good. Thank you for coming on back. I do appreciate the support. I'm gonna start off and say I feel like this lighting looks really good, and I feel like I did a really good job buffing out my makeup. So I don't know if I want to do a video about what I just did, but I've been doing it almost every morning this week. Today is Thursday, and I've been looking pretty good. Been looking like a snack all week. So if you guys want to see this face tutorial, we're doing the eye look right now, then comment that down below or give this video a bunch of likes. I don't know, you pick. Okay, so like I said, yes, we are doing a like everyday monochromatic, just like office friendly look. So, and I struggle with this because in the past I used to do super bright looks because your girl gave no F's about what people thought about her makeup. Not to say that there's like an issue with that or that I can't do that moving forward. I just went through a phase of like not doing my eye looks to then just like kind of half-ass doing them, and now I want to get back into it, but I kind of want to stay away from color because my like wardrobe is changing. I'm just like styling myself differently. So disclaimer, if you love wearing like super colorful bright looks to work, I'm not shading you. I'm just talking about my own experience. So yes, we're gonna talk about a palette. When I first got it, I was like, I felt like I just wanted to spend money that day, and I'm not sure why I picked it up, but I've had it for like 2 months, so I don't even want to return it for a store credit. But it actually is a really useful palette. It's just not necessarily something I would recommend to pick up if you are beginner friendly. And I'll tell you why. So this is the 9B Bronzed Babe by Morphe. My sister's Ulta in Arlington, Virginia is no freaking joke. They have such a good selection of makeup that I cannot get here in person. I live in Philly. So I went a little ham in that store and I picked up this as a part of that experience. So this is just, it's a really nice palette. I'll get a little closer so you guys can see, but it's mostly browns and a couple of shimmers. So the reason why I say like you may not necessarily want to pick up this particular palette, it's not that these aren't useful shades. They're also, I mean, they're really good shades. It's just that like these browns, these like shimmers, you can easily find 1 or 2 of those colors in like every palette. So you don't necessarily need a palette just of these. All right, while I talk, I'm gonna do my makeup. Otherwise we'll be here all day. Okay. So I'm going, but if you wanted to pick up something like this, you're like, how do I do something that's work friendly? You want something monochromatic? I'm gonna show you how I can do it. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Hang 10. It's this like light peachy color up here. We're gonna start with that as my base. So I'll give you an update on my move. So right now I'm filming this early. It's the end of July. This is gonna go up mid-August. Just buffing this in. So I am just trying to get this stuff out of my apartment. I realized one of my friends came over and she's like, you still have too much stuff, and then that stressed me out. So I am still trying to get rid of things. I'm actually gonna place this all over the lid. So I am still trying to get rid of things. I have an idea of some more stuff that can go, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to end up taking it with me to my apartment. My new place, I'm gonna go in with a road trip. I'm just kind of building up a little bit of a transition shade. I will also say, because I am black, surprise, and it's kind of hard for some of these shades to show up on me. So I'm just gonna spend some time kind of working this into my crease. So yeah, I do have an idea of some stuff. Now that the Salvation Army has came and gone, I have some more stuff I want to get rid of. So I'm gonna keep checking back for their drop off and pickup dates. I'm sorry, their pickup dates, not drop off dates. I could easily drop off stuff without having to pick it up. I'll keep checking back to see if anything becomes available. What I'm probably gonna end up doing is moving all the stuff, but putting the stuff I want to donate in a like XL shipping box and just leaving it near the door of my new apartment. Okay, alrighty, so next I'm gonna go in with this other kind of light shade. It's called Now Boarding. This is a really light fluffy brush. It's a generically light fluffy brush from NYX. It's number 17. And if I remember to zoom in, I will. But I'm just gonna pat that all over the lid. I'm gonna not be lazy and get like a more compact brush. I'm gonna pat that all over the lid. And this is a really quick look too, so this is also just super beginner friendly. And you could do this with like, if you want to do a monochromatic look, you can do this with anything like purples, oranges, reds. brown like I'm doing. So I'm just packing this on. Yeah, I'm just gonna pack this on. I'm gonna then go in with this shade down here in the corner. It's called Volcano. I'm just gonna put that on my outer V. Just kind of buff that in. So it's kind of unfortunate. I didn't want to take extra stuff with me, but I don't know. When she made that comment, I just got really stressed about it because I've been doing such a good job thus far. I'm gonna use my color switch. This is a Sephora airbrush shadow brush. It's a part of their little like airbrush brush kit. I did a review on this a while ago, so that is live. I'm gonna go under my eye with Road Trip. So yeah, I was hoping not to take extra stuff, but here we are. I am pretty proud though, getting my makeup declutter done. Not gonna lie about that. I've still got a whole bunch of stuff, but I feel better about taking it with me. I want to get some product reviews out of things, and I decided earlier yesterday I'm gonna go in with Beach Please, smoke out that outer part. I decided yesterday I'm gonna put a little too much. I decided yesterday that I'm gonna take some like freebies that I have and turn them into giveaways for you guys. So it's not gonna happen before I move, but I will do that when I move. I'll put together some stuff. So I've got on a black dress with like a little white kind of like ribbon thing at the bottom. So I was gonna consider going in with sunnies. I feel like that's a little much. Like that's a little on the nose because they would match quite a bit. So I'm gonna go in with Vacay with my finger and just kind of brighten this up a little bit and just dab that on. So just dab that on. Now I could mix in the white. I might actually put the white on top of it. Okay, so I am gonna go in with Sunny's, this light shade, and just pop that on top just to brighten it because the rest of my look is so dark. Okay, all right, color switch my fingers. I mean, so looking at me, you can definitely tell I have something on my eyes, but it's not so much that you're like, wow, Ansley, did you wear all of your makeup to work? Come on. We're sitting in a meeting, chill out. No, people don't look at me that way. People actually do like my makeup, which is quite flattering. If you want to do a little bit of like a flick, I really suck at doing this part. So if I do a good job, I'll leave it in. If I don't do a good job, I'm gonna edit this out, but I'm just gonna, not quite doing the flick just yet. I'm just kind of lining under my eye. Already doing a horrible job. Okay, not gonna do a flick. I'm just gonna leave it. Leave it while it's looking good. Oh my gosh, I can't do the other eye. Okay, let's try it doing it this way. Please don't come to me for eyeliner tutorials. I'm not the one. Oh, I just messed up. Okay. All right, if you mess up, you have a short window to fix it. So I'm just gonna take a brush and smoke that out. Try and wipe it away a little bit. Okay. All right. And then I already did my lips. I have this Too Faced Love is a Battlefield lipstick on. I just dot a little bit of it because it is a little dark for my liking. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Kush mascara and the Urban Decay Perversion mascara because I want super just like bombshell smoky lashes. You can still do like a glamorous sexy look for work. You can also just take it down a notch too and make it a little bit more inconspicuous. So that's the look I'm going for today. But like I said, I kind of rarely do my eyes now. You want to know why it is? It's because I'm lazy when I get home and I don't want to put eye makeup remover on. It's just too much work. Mind you, I use micellar water, so that also works on my eyes. I'm just too lazy. So that's the reason why I don't really do my makeup as much anymore. I do my face like this. I do my face every day. I just don't want to do my eyes. Okay, and I'm gonna look up while I do this because it's about to get be a little too much. Okay, I'm not gonna go over my bottom lash with that. All right, I feel like I should put a little blush on. I don't know. I'm just gonna use a random blush and blush my cheeks a little bit. This is a CYO blush. It's called Crush on Blush. It's a really pretty color. I've got mascara all over my hands, so woody tootie. That's exciting. Okay, all right, that is the look. I hope you guys like it. I feel like I look cute. Hopefully you guys like my look. But yeah, I mean, you can pick up palettes like this and actually put together a lot of looks. If you are in like the transition from beginner friendly to like medium friendly makeup, this is always a nice palette to have in case you are having trouble finding the right browns that you're looking for. You can always whip this bad boy out with any other palettes that you have and use it for like transitions, darken up the crease, put a little like smoky eye situation going on. So not counting it out, but I wouldn't pick it up if this would be like your first, second, third, or fifth makeup palette. All right guys, so that is the video. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. As always, comment any questions or just comments that you want to comment down below. And if you think other people would enjoy this video, share it with your friends or turn on the notification bell. Those are two great options to stay in touch with me. All right guys, take care, have a great rest of the day, and until next time, bye.